Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be talking about this cordless portable bandsaw from Milwaukee. This is a fuel cell version, so it is really good. And it does come with a 4 amp battery, as you can see here. Brushless right there. Okay, this is the M2 version. There's a smaller version, there's a compact versions, and the price right now is $123.24. And here is a little bit more about the product description itself. I'm not going to go over every single thing. Weighs about 6.9 pounds, and that's pretty much it. So it says right here, expected delivery date is August, by the end of August. Okay, so weighs about 8 point something pounds. So I think all in all, this is a great deal. If you're into, Milwaukee and you're looking for a bandsaw, this is a great time to buy. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.